Killed my Runcam 5. We're going to dissect and attempt to get it to turn back on. So this is not a how-to or anything like that, of course, as I don't actually think this will be recoverable, but it's broken. So you can't break it more. I mean, I guess you can, but it's unlikely. So we're gonna use this bit that I have to open up the back, which, by the way, if you do own a Runcam 5 orange and you decide, you know what, this battery just ain't cutting it anymore, you just need this bit. It's a little miniature star bit thingy, pretty easy to get, and you can take the back off, and with it not crushed into a million pieces, the battery is really not that difficult to dissect and replace if you find an exact match. So let's get this thing out of its shell first and foremost, and go from there. We get the back off. We're pretty much just stuck breaking off the plastic cover that's on here, and then go from here. All right, so this is the connector for back here. We're gonna peel this off. Okay, so this is the main board. Yeah, we got our little CPU here. This is all the, oh yeah, no, she's not fixable, and here's why. See that chip? I don't know if you can actually see it. We'll get real close here. This chip right here is cracked. Oh, so nope, not salvageable without a replacement part. This motherboard here would be it. With that, I probably could get this back up and running and 3D print a shell for it. That is probably very doable. It wouldn't have glass in front of it, and I could easily cut some plexiglass or something to create a shield, but bummer, that was fast. If it wasn't all the broken glass and this thing was actually whole, this would not be that difficult to manage. But if you wanted to replace the battery, it's 2S. See that? Taking it apart and putting it back together again is not easy, but it is doable. I'm not saying to do it, I'm just saying it can be done. It would appear that there's a battery connector here. That's 99% sure that's what this is. Some sort of battery connector. Positive to positive, negative to negative, it's parallel. So it's just upping the capacity. So 3.8 480, 3.8 480, which means you put the 480s together and that's the full capacity of this battery. You could sacrifice capacity for simplicity as far as replacements go. And just get like one 500 milliamp hour 1S battery and just solder it red, red, black, black, and call it a day. I mean, it just, you know, I think the reason they split it up is because of the shape. Single 1000 milliamp hour ish is going to be a fatter battery, right? So where are you going to stick that? Well, they cut it in half. So parallel is what they did there.